Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable accessibility button settings in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Present shortcuts and accessibility. Now scroll down and go to accessibility. Present color and motion. Now go to color inversion. Here you can see the option of color inversion shortcut. If you want to enable your accessibility shortcut, you just have to turn on the button. Press and got it. That's it. So this is how to enable accessibility button in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.